The objective of Lab 7 is to apply the MQTT concepts learned in class into a real-life application. So, the objective is to measure the distance between the object and the sensor by using an ultrasonic sensor, which will then read the distance between the object, which will then be sent to the Arduino Mega board through the serial port, which will be recorded by LabVIEW and sent into the Ubidots cloud server, which can be seen through a HMI web-based dashboard that is on Ubidots, as seen on here. After processing that information through the IoT gateway, which is through publish and subscribe, concepts that we learned in class, it will then send an output response, which is the LED download method. So the way the code is written for the extend your knowledge portion is that when the distance is less than 5, so the distance recorded by the sensor, which is over here, the string value that is outputted onto LabVIEW gets converted into a number that can be read by the comparison function. If that value is less than 5, then that value is sent into the digital write channel 1. The OR option basically allows there to be two options to consider. One, if the LED will only turn on if the distance is less than 5 as seen here, or if the button for the LED switch on Ubidots or on LabVIEW is pressed, which would give it a Boolean value of 1. So if the value is equal to 1, the LED turns on. Based off of these two values, now I will be running the lab. So, first step is to press connect, and once once connect is processed, I already have enabled auto publish, so the value is being measured. In every 1 second, the value changes. So as I'm moving backwards, the value is changing. As I'm coming closer, it's recording a value that's getting lower. So I've already subscribed, and the RX topic value shows up. I will be going on Ubidots. We'll refresh. The problem I was running into earlier was I had already enabled publish, subscribe, and connect, and I did not turn off those buttons, so the value was still outputting true. So I will start that again. I will run again. And as it connects, I will publish, and it will publish the most recent value, as seen over here. Auto publish will allow it to update to output the updated distance measured for every 1 second. As you can see that it's changing, and once I press subscribe, the RX topic shows up. Now if I click on the button for the LED, it will turn on. So as you can see, distance is changing on Ubidots. I can control this on my phone as well through Wi-Fi connection. So when I turn on the light, when I press it, the LED turns on. Similarly, when my hand is close to the sensor, within 5 centimeters, the LED turns on.